How to download Yahoo Search on iPhone. This video will show you how to use and install the Yahoo Search app on your iPhone. So all you're going to need to do first of all is to go to the App Store. So go ahead and click on the App Store icon on the homepage of your iPhone. Then at the bottom right hand corner, click on Search. Then at the top toolbar of the screen, you'll see a search section where you just want to type in Yahoo Search. You want to make sure it's Yahoo Search, not any one of the other variations of Yahoo. And then you want to click on Get on the right hand side of it. Then you have to wait either a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your download speed after you click the install button when it pops up. Then after those few seconds or a few minutes, you can either open it on this page here or go to the home page of your iPhone, and then you will be able to click on the Yahoo Search. Then within there you can go ahead and use the Yahoo Search like similar how you would do for Google, etc. You have to go after you go through all these screens here. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.